Let's make salted caramel chocolate bars. For the shortbread, add 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/2 cup coconut flour, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1/3 cup melted coconut oil. Give everything a really good stir, and then add to a parchment-lined 8x8 inch baking dish. Press the shortbread down with your fingers. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. For the caramel layer, we're gonna add 1/2 cup almond butter, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk all of the ingredients together until thoroughly combined. Pour the caramel sauce over the cooled shortbread. Use the back of a spoon to help spread the caramel, and then place in the freezer for 1 hour. Take a pot with boiling water and add a bowl. Pour in 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil. Stir the chocolate chips until they're melted, and then pour the chocolate right over the top of the frozen caramel. Use the back of a spoon to help spread the chocolate evenly again. Sprinkle with some sea salt flakes right on top, and then we're going to freeze for about 1 hour. Let it sit out for 10 minutes before slicing into bars. Store the bars in the fridge and enjoy!